no point in going on. So, my friend. Where's the boy?
So from here, I want to clean a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And I want to pack up anything that doesn't need to be here. And that's going. All right, water's boiling. I can start preparing chicken.
You. Oh, shit. Easy. Easy. Go. Hello again.
Sorry.
Information is a commodity.
This is the only way we think not to save Julien. I'm sure you would have done the same for your devil, no?
Sabine will take you both back to Paris. Drop you wherever you like. On y va?
Yeppa.
There are two guerriers right outside. Might as well sit down. It's not bad. We keep a little vineyard behind the mill.
What do you want?
I have the same question for you. Or I can have you signed to the atelier. I believe you have witnessed some of our research tests.
Nasty looking stuff going on in there. What's that all about?
Creating a new subtype of FMA. More charitable warriors. They will help bring peace back to the world.
Right. The war to end all wars. Heard that one.
No more lies. How did you get here?
I landed 2 days ago from America.
Really?
I manipulated an innocent man into letting me fly in his plane under the false pretense of looking for my daughter. We had to stop in Greenland, where he was almost used as a sperm donor, and I was nearly murdered by insane environmentalists.
And why do you want to find Dixon?
I came here to kill him.
time to start
Must have
drinking
done
too.
something terrible to you.
You can hear me? Yeah, I said it.
Ah.
Um,
We all need une raison d'être, don't we?
You can't imagine what I've done to get this far.
I understand, I do. Ces douleurs, these pains we carry, we women need to learn to let them go. Men seem to have no problem doing that.
I definitely do not.
But we have to forgive ourselves for all the losses.
Can try.
Jack Dixon has aligned himself with a group of religious zealots.
Really? Carol's not really the aligning type.
I believe you've helped us locate their headquarters. The island fortress in Normandy that my former comrade told you about. I'll organize a convoy in the morning. You want to kill Dixon yourself? I will take you to him.
Get some strength up to go get tomorrow.
Fuck off.
Real break soon. À demain. Go, boy.
Arrête-toi là un instant. I used to work here as a janitor. First there was a night, most alone. I'd sweep the floors of galleries full of religious paintings. I wonder why the greatest artists felt compelled to depict the same violent imagery over and over again. When Les Affamés came, we were locked in for a week. It was there that the paintings began to make sense to me. There was one in particular, the deluge. The desperate family hangs in peril over a raging flood. And I realized all these scenes of apocalypse, they want to make sense of the chaos and destruction that humanity brings upon itself. The fantasy that there's a higher power that can make things better. Press didn't help us. Not then, not now.
Hope my tea's not so yellow anymore.